1981 Yamaha RD350 LC, 1985 Honda VT250F V-twin, 1984 Kawasaki GPZ900A1, a 1985 GSX750G slab side, 1979 Kawasaki Z1300A1, and a 1978 Suzuki GS1000HC. This is a 1985 Honda CBX750F. This is a 1983 Kawasaki GPZ750A2. (1981) Honda CBX1000C. And the 1995 Honda Fireblade CBR 900 RRS, and it's called the Urban Tiger color scheme. This bike has done 17,000 miles from new. It's completely original and standard. This bike has done just short of 20,000 miles, and although it's had the fairing removed, it's completely original. This bike has done only 16,500 miles from new. And is completely standard and original, including the exhausts. And has been showed in several of the vintage Japanese owner club shows around the UK. This bike has done 33,000 miles from new, and it's completely standard apart from a 4-in-1 exhaust and original. Kawasaki, which is being restored at the moment, it's done 42,000 miles from new. Paintworks completely original, and the engine is being worked on at the moment. The GSXR has been restored, almost complete. The GPZ900 is original. It's done slightly over 50,000 miles from new. And the Honda is completely standard, again apart from the exhaust, and it's only done 18,000 miles from new. The Suzuki, being a 77 bike, it's an early one, wire wheels, single disc. Completely standard again apart from the exhausts, and it's just covered 40,000 miles. finally in this collection, the Yamaha. It's covered 24,000 miles, although I don't think that is original. But this has had a nut and bolt restoration. Bodywork still needs to be finished, but everything on this bike is original. And there we have it.